Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. The nature or property of light was always a matter of argument between scientists or amongst scientists. And during Sir Isaac Newton's time, Sir Isaac Newton believed that light was particulate, and Robert Hooke, his contemporary, believed that light was wave-like. People or proponents of the wave theory of light said that light beam is composed of a single white light and it breaks up into the spectrum of 7 colors when it passes through glass because the glass adds impurities to the light wave. So the more glass the light passes through, the more impurities it attracts or the more impure it becomes, and it splits into all the 7 colors of the spectrum. Now, Sir Isaac Newton wanted to prove proponents of the wave theory wrong. He didn't prove particularly about the particulate nature of light, but he just disproved what the wave theory proponents claimed. He did it with a very simple experiment, and it's something like this. He incidented a beam of light onto a prism, and the beam of light, when passed through the prism, split into 7 colors of the spectrum. And then this spectrum he passed through an inverted prism, another piece of glass, but inverted this time. And then he showed that it became again white light. If, like the wave theory proponents say, that white light becomes more and more impure when it passes through more and more glass, it shouldn't become white light again because it's already filled with impurities here, or it is already corrupt. By disproving the theory of wave-like nature of light, that when light is incident through one glass and splits through the 7 colors of the spectrum, and then when the spectrum is passed through an inverted prism, another piece of glass, it can come back as white light. Sir Isaac Newton said that light is particulate and not wave-like. He didn't prove or propose an experiment for saying that light is particulate, but he just disproved what the wave proponents claimed. Simple ways. Thank you.